Hi there everyone, welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Welcome to this tutorial for the song Who You Share It With, which was performed by Layup. This song has been raised up a half step to work better on ukulele. So if you try to play it with the original non-transposed recording, it won't quite sound right. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, I'll show you the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then I'll show you the chords you need to play it on DGBE baritone ukulele. Then I'll talk about strumming. Now, if you like this song, you can actually download the tabs or chord sheet at my website at UkeStuff.info and just look for the tabs from the Uke Playlongs channel and just alphabetically go to who you share it with. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. I also have books of chord melodies available, a book of hymns, and a book of Christmas carols that can be purchased at buymeacoffee.com, on the Apple Music Store, or on Amazon, both in Kindle and in print. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Nighthawk concert ukulele. The first chord is a C chord. The second chord is the F chord. And the third chord is the G chord. It's just a 3-chord song. Now let's take a look at the chords you need to play Who You Share It With on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, on baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele with Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it. It allows me to tune a concert like a baritone. The first chord you'll need is a C chord. Then you'll need an F chord. Now, for the F chord, do not be discouraged. What you do is you take your first finger, put across both first strings right above the metal first fret, like that. Pull against the fretboard. Now, the big key here is pulling against and not squeezing. The thumb can come and support it, but you pull, and that gives you the support you need to make those notes clear, and then add 2 fingers. So bar chords are a matter of pulling rather than pinching. So that's your F chord, and then you finally have the G chord. And those are the 3 chords you need to play Who You Share It With on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. First of all, remember that strumming is just always a pattern of going up and down. And ultimately, traditionally, it's your first finger. Now, what happens if you strum with all 4 fingers or your thumb? That should be a choice, not how you default. But you point to the ground, point up, and you play where the body meets the neck on ukulele, unless you're going for a particular style. So this one, again, it's always combinations up and down. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if it's a quick chord change, you just hit the down, down part of it. So at the beginning here, it'd be something like, now, that said, let's remind you that there are 3 rules to strumming. First of all, play the right chords at the right time. Second, make sure that you keep a steady beat. And third, make sure that whatever you strum, even if it's not the right strum, because there usually isn't, that it fits with the music. Now, this pattern, again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, unless you have a quick chord change. So it'd be something like this, following the standard progression in the song. So it's all down, down, up, unless you have a quick chord change. And again, that is solely opinion. Now let me do that on baritone as well. All right, and here it is on baritone. Just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. right, so with those chords and that strumming pattern, that's all you need to be successful on the song Who You Share It With by Layup. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.